Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today, we've got a highly requested topic and in-depth guide on how to lay sheet vinyl flooring. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-timer, this video will equip you with all the knowledge you need for a successful installation. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more home improvement tips. Now, let's get started. Before we jump into the installation process, let's quickly talk about sheet vinyl flooring. It's a versatile and cost-effective option that can mimic the look of various materials, from hardwood to tile. Sheet vinyl comes in rolls, making it an excellent choice for covering large areas seamlessly. Today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of laying sheet vinyl flooring and achieving professional results. The first step in any successful project is gathering the right tools and materials. Here's a quick rundown of what you'll need. Now, let's prepare the subfloor. Ensure it's clean, dry, and smooth. If necessary, use a leveling compound to fix any uneven areas. Lay down the underlayment if required, following the manufacturer's guidelines. This step is crucial for a smooth and durable vinyl flooring installation. Measure twice, cut once, a golden rule in any DIY project. Unroll the sheet vinyl and allow it to acclimate to the room for at least 24 hours. Measure the floor area, leaving an extra 2-3 inches on each side for adjustments. Use a straight edge and a utility knife to make precise cuts. Now comes the adhesive application. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific adhesive you're using. Generally, you'll spread the adhesive evenly using a notched trowel. Work in small sections to prevent the adhesive from drying before laying the vinyl. Take your time and remember, a well-adhered vinyl floor is long-lasting. This is the exciting part: laying down the sheet vinyl. Start from the center of the room and work towards the edges. Smooth out any air bubbles using a floor roller as you go. Using a seam roller to ensure a tight bond if you're dealing with seams. Repeat the process until the entire floor is covered and your sheet vinyl flooring looks flawless. Congratulations! You've successfully laid down sheet vinyl flooring. Now, trim any excess material along the edges and make sure the edges are securely glued. Give the floor some time to set before moving furniture back in. For maintenance, clean the vinyl regularly with a mild detergent and avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the surface. And there you have it, a detailed guide on how to lay sheet vinyl flooring. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or tips to share, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more home improvement guides. Until next time, happy DIYing! Thanks for watching Fixing Expert. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials, and remember, a beautifully installed floor can transform your space. See you in the next video.